Next, I'd like to say thank you to a specific person who, day in and day out, takes my phone calls no matter what. She corrects your cars when you want to switch cars. She calls you out when you need to get a new part number. She helps them with the format with you. She does all the registration paperwork. She's the Denmark. If she was not the glue, we got a problem. Mom, come on up. Thank you for everything you do to make these shows happen.
Alright, do you spot Lucia?
No.